Hey everyone, I'm Charlie from Merchant Automotive. Regular replacement of the spin-on filter is an important part of preventative maintenance to ensure a long life out of your Allison transmission. The factory installed a disc-type magnet that mounts on the top of the filter to collect metallic debris. Common mistake is to toss out the magnet with the old filter as it tends to stick to the top. If yours is missing, pick up a factory replacement on our website or over the phone with our sales team. If you have any questions or comments, let us know down below or give us a call. Thanks for watching.